Hey guys, so let's quickly compare the specs of the Ulefone Armor Pad 2 with that of the Oukitel RT7 Titan. I mentioned in my previous video that the Pad 2 can rival the Oukitel RT7 Titan and the Blackview Active 8 Pro. So in this video, I'll be comparing the Pad 2 with the Oukitel RT7 Titan to see which of the two rugged tablets packs the best specs. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications to get the latest tech updates, especially regarding rugged smartphones. So without further ado, let's dig in. They're both great rugged phones, so there's not much to talk about. They both have their ups and downs, and that's it. Anyway, I'd like to hear your thoughts. Which of the two rugged phones do you think is best? Feel free to share in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.